In a world where every detail matters, where every moment of our daily lives can be optimized for greater efficiency and quality, a single device can make a difference. Imagine a kitchen where meal preparation becomes not only a pleasure but also a demonstration of precision. A world where the fresh morning bread, the tasty ham for lunch, and the juicy fruits for snack are sliced with astonishing precision and ease. This universe is now accessible thanks to the E16 Duo Plus Universal Slicer from Ritter, a technological gem made in Germany that is set to revolutionize the way you cook. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours right away. This product is ideal for cooking enthusiasts seeking precision and versatility in their preparation, as well as for those who desire an efficient and energy-saving solution for slicing various foods on a daily basis. The beginning of this revolution lies in its elegant design and silver metallic appearance, promising robustness and durability that can withstand anything. Designed to fit perfectly into any type of kitchen, it is not just aesthetically pleasing. Its angled design and weight of only 3 kg make it a tool that is both stable and easy to handle. What sets the E16 Duo Plus apart from the O Plus is its versatility. Equipped with 2 blades, one serrated for hard foods and one smooth for fine cuts, the slicer adapts to all your needs. Whether you want thin slices of ham for a gourmet sandwich or perfectly uniform cucumber rounds for a salad, this device meets all your expectations with millimeter precision. Thanks to the continuous thickness adjustment of up to 20 mm, each slice is exactly as you imagined. Guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. But the E16 Duo Plus is not just versatile and precise. It is also designed for easy and safe use. Its push-button safety switch ensures that you can control the device with confidence, whether for momentary or continuous operation. The removable tray makes cleaning easier and allows for handling even large alignments, while the receiving bowl collects the slices, keeping your workspace clean. At the heart of this slicer lies a powerful 65W eco motor, which not only outperforms its predecessor by 50%, but does so while being 20% more energy efficient. This increased efficiency highlights Ritter's commitment to sustainability and environmental respect, without compromising on power. Made in Germany, the E126 Duo Plus is the result of exceptional craftsmanship and meticulous attention to detail. Each component, from the metal blade to the carriage, is designed to ensure a seamless user experience and maximum longevity. With over 5,400 reviews, user satisfaction reflects the quality and reliability of this device. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, energy efficiency. The eco motor of 65W delivers superior performance while consuming less energy. A plus for the environment. Advantage number 2, ease of cleaning. With a removable carriage and an easily detachable blade clamping device, cleaning is simplified. Advantage number 3, precise thickness adjustment. The continuous adjustment up to 20 mm allows for precise cutting to meet all needs. Advantage number 4, robust construction. Its metal design ensures durability and stability during use. Advantage number 5, versatility. Includes 2 types of blades to slice a variety of foods from the softest to the hardest. Let's move on to a few drawbacks. Disadvantage 1, size of the food. For very large or bulky foods, the size of the slice may limit cutting without removing the carriage. So, for those who are looking not only to cook but to create dishes with precision, the ECS Duo Plus slicer from Ritter is an essential choice. It represents a perfect alliance between design, performance, and durability, promising to transform every meal into a work of art. To discover how the E16 Duo Plus Universal Slicer can revolutionize your kitchen and to order at the best price, be sure to click on the link in the description. You will find thousands of customer reviews who have already made this device a central element of their kitchen. With that, I thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.